Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the timeless charm of iron bed frame designs. If you're looking for a bed that is not only stylish but also strong and long-lasting, iron bed frames are the perfect choice. Why iron bed frames? They bring a classic and elegant touch to your bedroom while ensuring durability for years to come. Their sturdy build makes them ideal for both modern and traditional interiors. Let's start with minimalist designs. Sleek black or white iron frames with clean lines fit perfectly into a contemporary bedroom. Pair them with neutral bedding for a chic, hotel-like feel. Next, we have vintage-inspired iron frames. These often feature intricate curves and floral patterns, creating a romantic and cozy atmosphere. Perfect for anyone who loves that old-world charm. For a more industrial style, go for raw or rustic iron bed frames. These designs combine strength with a bold statement look, making your bedroom feel trendy and unique. Don't forget about decorative headboards and footboards. Many iron bed frames come with creative designs that act as a focal point in your room. Add soft fairy lights or drapes for an even more dreamy vibe. So whether you prefer sleek modern lines, vintage curves, or bold industrial styles, iron bed frames are versatile and timeless. Which design do you like best? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design inspiration.